Hello everyone, my name is Safwan Ahmed and this is my submission of the search project or Project-0 of CS50's web programming with Python and JavaScript. Here we have to design a front-end page for Google search, Google image search and Google advanced search. So these are the requirements I have to meet for making this page. So this is the regular Google search page. As you can see, I tried to match the aesthetics and the style of my page with the original Google page. We can run regular searches in it like hello world. Oops. As you can see, I also included an I'm feeling lucky button, and it was actually a bit tricky to guess what should I do with it. So what it should do is when you click this link, it should take the user directly to the first Google search result for the query, bypassing the normal results page. Then the next one is the Google image search, and this one was also a bit tricky. So what it does is when you search something, it takes you directly to the Google image page. Then there's this advanced search page. It is quite fascinating how it works, and it's kind of like a filter. It takes you exactly to the page you are looking for. So this was it. This was my submission for Project-0 or search. I hope you liked it, and thank you very much.